Hey guys, it's Orlando and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be working on a Honda CRV, guys. So give me a second, let me turn the camera around so you guys can see what we're working on. Okay guys, let's head on out to the shop. Here is the Honda we're going to be working on today, guys. It's supposed to be a full mirror package on this one, but due to the weather outside, it's raining, we're gonna have to reschedule it for the wash and the wax and above. But we're gonna go ahead and get the interior cleaned on it today. It is a Valentine's present for her husband. So guys, we got to take good care of them. This is what the inside looked like before we put our blessings on it. Not bad at all. As y'all know, men do take care of their cars a little bit better than the women do, of course. This is the back. Not too bad at all. So it's really not gonna take that long, guys. So this would not be like a full video like we normally do, but I had to get some type of footage for you guys so you guys can see. Gonna also make sure we get this back done as well, guys. So go around here to the other side, let you guys check that out as well. Yes. So this is what we working on, guys, and yeah, so we'll turn you guys back on once we get started, guys. Okay, guys, we're finally done with the Honda CRV, guys. So give me a second. Let me turn the camera around, take you guys out here so you can see the finished results. Okay, guys, take you on out here in the shop so you guys can see the finished results of the CRV Honda, guys. And as you know, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a Valentine's Day present for her husband. And I also keep an extra mat with me, guys, because when I transport the vehicle, it's raining outside, and I don't want to leave a dirty mat in there. So I'm going to change it out once I get to my destination, guys. But this is the finished results. You guys remember what that looked like. Open this up. That is clean in there as well. Oh my God, it smells so good. Smell it through the phone. I wish you guys could smell. So this is the finished results, guys. You can't tell me that this thing is not clean. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it through the phone. It smells so awesome in here. So yes, guys, open this up. I don't want nobody to tag on here. So yes, that part is actually still drying, guys, but it's nice and clean. And a lot of people do not like tie shine on their stuff, guys, or any type of greasy fabrics that goes on that. So I didn't put any on there. Oh yeah, nice and clean, guys. Yeah, everything has been sanitized and steam clean all the way through and out, guys. So this is the finished result. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Nathan, you got anything you want to say?
Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and tune in with us next time.
Until the next video, guys, peace.